Hi, welcome to Hard Reset Info channel. Dear viewers, in front of me DYMO Mobile Labeler device, and now I'm gonna show you how to create samples on this printer using DYMO Connect. So firstly open the DYMO Connect application, then select the type of schablons you wanna make. For example, barcode, to create a schablon of QR codes, for example. I wanna create barcode schablon, then so simple. So then click on the code you wanna create. So create the label you wanna print, okay? So for example, in my case, I wanna print a lot of links, so QR codes with the link for our web page. So large data hard reset dot info, click OK, cool. And now click save and create the name for the sample, hard reset QR, for example, and cool. Label saved successfully. Now go back to the home screen and here click Open Labeler, and in Open Labeler you will see your saved samples. Now you can click on that, click print, and for example create several copies. Click print. And as you can see, it works. Unfortunately, as you can see, the quality of my printing is bad, but it's just because of very old paper. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.